Good day, everyone. My name is Dimaculangan, Applications Engineer of Computrends Systems Technology Inc. For today, I will show you the compressor enclosure demo. In the compressor enclosure demo, we will be using the 3D SheetMetal Creator. So 3D SheetMetal Creator is an intuitive browser-based solution that offers associative parametric sheet metal design capabilities to build components, assemblies, and enclosure. For this presentation, our agenda would be the 3D sheet metal creator, what are the critical business issues encountered, what are the benefits when you use the 3D sheet metal creator, the highlights of this presentation, and some demo at the end. 3D sheet metal creator is an easy-to-use browser-based sheet metal design solution that allows engineers to create and collaborate on sheet metal components, assemblies, and enclosure. The cloud-based role includes SheetMetal, which provides a focused user experience for designers and engineers, tailored to the specific needs of sheet metal design for manufacture. 3D Sheet Metal Creator gives us users design freedom and flexibility to design on their own terms, anywhere, anytime, with no installation necessary. The critical business issues for this is the challenges is they have disconnected workflows. The flexibility in modeling is often an afterthought, and the complex design solution for the sheet metal designing. So what are the benefits that we have when using the 3D Sheet Metal Creator? The 3D Sheet Metal Creator offers a wide range of sheet metal design tools and methodologies from any web browser to create sheet metal components and assemblies with ease. So the roles primarily up is the X sheet metal provides engineers and designers with streamlined sheet metal workflows that maximize the performance and productivity. One of the benefits is the tailored user interface. So X sheet metal's user experience is specifically designed and tailored to sheet metal processes, eliminating the need to learn a complete universal CAD system. The entire user interface, including the action bar, context menus, and the S-key toolbar, are specific to sheet metal process making it intuitive, intelligent, and dedicated to sheet metal processes. Another benefit is single modeling environment. The single modeling environment gives you the opportunity to focus on what you do best and which is innovate. The single modeling environment is streamlined to facilitate sheet metal enclosure design workflows. Another is the sheet metal design capabilities. So you could take advantage of sheet metal's specialized sheet metal functionalities such as wall on edge, flange, cutout, and more to deliver significant productivity gains compared to general purpose CAD tools. With a simple sketch and parameters, you can take the guesswork out of otherwise complex shapes. Another benefit is it verifies flat patterns for manufacturability. And it will ensure that your design is manufacturable with one-touch flat patterns that stay up to date with the 3D model at all times. You could easily review flat patterns to identify interferences or problem areas to eliminate design flaws and limit costly production or delays. And another benefit is design assistant. So you could get help from the design assistant, the artificial intelligence engine on the 3DEXPERIENCE platform that's automating tasks that were never before possible. So those are the benefits when you use the sheet metal creator of the 3DEXPERIENCE. Some of the highlights for this one is it is easy to use, flexible, feature-based 3D sheet metal design role. The 3D Sheet Metal Creator contains an intuitive, dedicated sheet metal design environment, making it easy to use and learn. The sheet metal have design tools. So you could boost productivity by utilizing the specialized sheet metal features to create accurate sheet metal geometry and eliminate unnecessary clicks required by general purpose CAD tools. So this is fully browser based. So with full connectivity to the 3D Experience platform, 3D Sheet Metal Creator requires no software maintenance such as installation or updates to worry about. All you need is a web browser and an internet connection. So it has a built-in data management and collaboration. So with the power of the 3D Experience platform, 3D Sheet Metal Creator offers an all-in-one solution to manage data and collaborate with the stakeholders. So now, I will show you the demo for the 3D Experience Sheet Metal Creator. So is your sheet metal design software purpose-built? Many design tools are filled with features you'll never use. So in 3D Sheet Metal Creator, it was built from ground up to bring you the sheet metal specific capabilities that you will need, and none of the ones you don't, on any device with a web browser and internet connection. As a sheet metal creator, you'll use X sheet metal to leverage the same intuitive sketching capabilities as other 3D experience design apps. The context-sensitive menus will bring useful tools right to your mouse cursor, making designing fast and efficient. X sheet metal gives you a powerful control over the features because it is purpose-built. So you could specify a flange height, angle, limiting geometry, clearance, and more. So you could set the distance for your flange or the clearance for your sheet metal. You could also easily create flanges from a sketch profile. So this functionality is unique with this 3D Experience sheet metal. So other common features are supported such as punch or forms, hems, bends, corner reliefs, and more. So few projects require only sheet metal parts. In 3D Sheet Metal Creator, you can insert and assemble non-sheet metal components, even those created in other CAD application. Finding the components you need is easy using the 3D Experience platform, powerful search, saving you valuable time. You could also drag and drop your components into the project and then use the familiar mating controls to position in place. So you could use the matings like distance for your parts. When your design is complete, you could generate manufacturing output using the industry standard formats such as DXF. You could leverage the power and security of the 3D Experience platform to share your design with your team or to your manufacturing partners. You could even get their feedback using the built-in viewing markup tools Because 3D Sheet Metal Creator is cloud-based, there are never any updates to install. It runs on a browser in any connected device, so you'll always be using the latest technology every session. So your design data is safely stored in the 3D Experience platform and is always accessible. Sheet metal design deserves a purpose-built tool and all the capabilities you need right at your fingertips and none of the ones you don't. That's the 3D Sheet Metal Creator. If you'd like to learn more about 3D Sheet Metal Creator, you could visit our website or reach out to us as your local reseller today. Thank you.